Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about networking's most beautiful and most trending topics, which is known as CCNA. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate and the current version of CCNA is 20301. This networking course includes the concept of network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, network security fundamentals, and automation and programmability. Now, we are going to start this topic from beginner level to advanced level. Like in the beginning topics, you will learn how to make design on Cisco Packet Tracer, how to make topologies on Graphical Network Simulator 3, and how to learn the concept of IP addressing. In advanced level, you will get to know about the knowledge of IPv6, DTP, HSRP, VRRP, as well as advanced troubleshooting technique in which you can make design based on supernetting and subnetting concepts. Apart from this, we will provide you workbook of the latest design of CCNAs. In that workbook, you will get the knowledge of latest design that are used in current companies as well as in troubleshooting techniques. And you will get the knowledge of test that we are providing through this course. We will provide you the latest interview questions that are asked by many multinational companies. After this CCNA course, you can join any multinational company as a network engineer, system engineer, IT executive, or network administration part. So, happy to learn CCNA. Thank you so much.